Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. Before starting this video, we want you to know that there is a short time offer going on in the website. If you have not seen, we recommend you to go and check that once. You will definitely like that, we guarantee you. Also, contest is going on in the contest section of the website. Keep visiting the contest page so that you could win valuable prizes. If you have not visited the website, then go and visit the website now. Website link is given in the description below.
And now let's start our video. Are you all interested in making apps? Do you have an idea that you want to convert into an app? Then you are in the right place. You can now make your own app and design it yourself. And this is possible through our trainings within 2 hours. Now, you can have your own app in the Play Store. There are a variety of apps which you can make using our platform. Mobile app has nowadays become a common or built-in feature of every Android phones and iPhones. Apps are making people's life easier gradually. Why won't anyone install an app if it is saving their time and money? Like the food delivery apps are saving people's time. Whenever someone feels tired or whenever someone is busy, they order food from the food delivery app and they themselves can do other important work. Similarly, there are other apps that provides you information regarding something which you can't find anywhere. There are also Maps app that help people find their path while they were in an unknown path. So, you can yourself see and feel the changes that an app can bring in anyone's life. So, if you think you have any idea that you can convert into an app that can be beneficial to all, then go ahead and take the initiative and build your app now. You have to visit the website, the link of which is given below in the description box. You can see the process to start making app there. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification. Remember to like this video and also remember to share this video as much as you can so that it will reach the people who are searching for this system.